We have been spearheading the campaign for Buy Kenya, Build Kenya with Tejal here. We have gone all over the country telling people to buy their own products so that they can promote their own people. And that campaign is bearing fruit. And I think now we are restarting it because the government of the day is very much in cotton. The president, wherever he goes, is talking about cotton. And as we have heard, the price for cotton has gone up. And I don't think whether we need more campaigns on cotton. When the prices go up, many people want to grow cotton. And very soon, we shall be self-sufficient. They shall not be going to Tanzania or to Uganda to look for cotton, because we shall have enough cotton in our country.
To be fair, I only say that it's the people here on the ground, including yourself, that have brought the farmers together. Then you have put them in a cooperative. I believe you have got a lot of support from the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of Cooperatives. Put them into cooperatives so that they are able to grow the cotton, and then when they're selling it, we're able to work through the cooperative. I believe we've given the farmers more seed than what they had the year before. In fact, I think we have tripled up the seed. Now the harvest is coming.
Kwetu ni huku Yata Ndalane. Kwa ipi na furahi sana kwa siku ya leo kwa sababu pamba umepanda bei. Hapo mbeleni nilikuwa nikilima nikapata kwa kilo shilingi 52, lakini kwa sasa nimepata sikiwa 72. Kwa sasa nilikuwa na kilo kiasi. Nilikuwa nikitamania tu mingi, lakini nikapata 700. Na 700 nikiangalia kwa shilingi 70 na mbele nikaona ni kitu.